Hello guys, welcome back to another part design tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to model a Clevis in FreeCAD 1.0. Open the FreeCAD app and pick Parametric Part Template. Click on Create Sketch and pick XZ Plane. This is the drawing that we are going to follow. First, I will sketch this half section and then revolve along this axis. The diameter of this part is 90 mm and the height is 160 mm. Click on Create Rectangle tool and start sketching at the origin. Make sure the cursor looks like this. Enter 45 mm for half of the diameter and press Enter. Enter 160 mm for the height and press Enter. Right-click to exit the command and right-click again. Click on Fit All to see the entire sketch. Select this line and right-click. Select this to convert the line to construction line. Do the same for this line. Construction lines are temporary guidelines used to help position, align, and shape parts of the object, but they are not included in the final design. Click on Create Polyline. Start sketching from this point. Click somewhere around 90 mm. Make sure automatic constraints are applied. Ignore the message and keep sketching like this. Right-click to exit the command. As you can see, this horizontal line is missing the constraint. I have to apply horizontal constraint, but you may not need to. Click on this icon and click on the line to apply horizontal constraint. Right-click to exit. Click on this and hit the Delete button on your keyboard to remove the redundant constraints. We will add these dimensions to make the sketch fully constrained. Click on Dimensions tool. Click on this line, type 90 and press Enter. Make this line 40 mm. 20 mm for this line. Pick this line and this line. Type 30 and press Enter. Right-click to exit. Right-click again and pick Fit All to see the entire sketch. Now sketch is fully constrained. Click to close the window. Click on Revolution command. Pick Select Reference from this drop-down list and click on this line. Click OK. Next, we will create this shape. Click on Create Sketch. Pick YZ Plane. Click on this command to create construction line from existing solid. Click on this edge. Right-click to exit. Click on Circle tool and draw a circle on this axis somewhere here. Make sure the automatic tangent constraint is applied and click on this edge to finish the circle. Right-click to exit. Pick Wireframe from this drop-down. Add dimension to the circle. As you can see, the reference edge lost the constraint. Let's fix this by adding coincident constraint to the endpoints. Draw the small circle at the center of the big circle. Click on Polyline and sketch like this. Make sure to snap on endpoints and make sure automatic constraints are applied. Right-click to end and start sketching on the other side. Right-click to exit. Add dimension to this line. Click on this and hit the delete button to remove the redundant constraint. Let's add more constraints to make this sketch fully constrained. Click on Tangent Constraint and pick this line and the circle. Click OK if you get this notification box. Do the same for this side. Also add this missing vertical constraint. We need to add this dimension. Click on Trim Edge tool and pick the bottom side of the circle. Now the sketch is complete. Close the window. Change the display style. Switch to Model tab and make sure the sketch is selected. Click on Pocket tool. This message means the sketch is not closed. Let's fix this. Cancel this and right-click on the sketch. Pick Edit Sketch. The top line is not a solid line. It was projected from the edge for reference. Let's draw the line again. Close the window. Click on Pad tool again. Switch this to shaded style. Change to through all type and check this symmetric to plane option. Click OK. Next, we will create another pocket with this shape. Click on Create Sketch and pick XZ plane. Click on this tool to copy an external reference line. Pick this edge. Switch to wireframe style. Pick Centered Rectangle tool from this drop-down and click on this axis. Click again somewhere here on this edge. Click on Dimension tool and add this dimension. Make the height outside the existing solid. Let's make it 100 mm. Close the window. Change this to shaded style. Make sure the sketch is selected and click on Pocket tool. Change to through all type and check this symmetric to plane option. Click OK. Check the model. Next, I will add these radius. Click on this radius command and pick these edges. Change radius to 10 and click OK. We are almost done. Last step is adding this hole. Click on this face and click on Create Sketch command. draw the circle at the origin. Type 20 mil for the diameter. Close the window. Click on Pocket Tool and change to Through All Type. Check the model. Click OK. Now the model is complete. Let's assign different color. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe as I will be uploading more videos soon. See you soon.